Well, ladies and gentlemen, today just a quick catch up on my seed saving, money saving, space saving seed sowing tray. Here we have in here evening primrose, alyssum, pansies, marigolds, delphiniums, trailing lobelia, 10-week socks and cosmos. What we're going to be doing today is just starting to put some of these on. I'm going to be using these. That's 2, 4, 6, 24 cell trays. I can use the smaller ones, but these are quite tall now, these cosmos. So like I said, all you need to get a garden full of flowers is a couple of trays at the start, well, one at the start, and then probably 5 or 6 bigger trays that size with 24 in. So what we're going to be doing first is showing you how I prick these out and put these on. So I'll just get a little pen. You can use anything that you feel comfortable with. I try to use a pen me, so all I'm going to do is just dig underneath, like so. Get a nice bunch out. I'll get a couple of bunches of those out, trying to get any stock mixed in with those if I can. Like I said, you don't need, when I first started growing flowers and seedlings, what I used to do is sow 1 packet of seeds in a full tray. You just waste so much space and time doing that. You're better off doing it this way, definitely. So yeah, I'm using a peat. So we've got plenty here to be getting on with. I said peat-free compost. All you need to do with this is just get this right like that. All you need to do is to the side, like so. You're going to damage some, don't worry about it. Obviously it's set just by losing 1 or 2. There's plenty more. Cosmos is a really fast grower. Nice big hole in the middle. Make sure you get all the white roots down. You don't want any of those showing. Just get another bunch. Another one there. These are really good. Cosmos will flower right until the first frost, and all you have to do is keep deadheading, and they will flower all summer long. All summer, and they produce amazing scent as well. These are a mixed variety. And I'll feed these now. Start feeding these now. When they've been growing here a few weeks, I will put them on into 9cm plastic pots. That's when you do need some more space then. The space starts running out pretty quickly. But at the beginning, like I said, a couple of trays. If you want to sell these later, if you haven't got a greenhouse or a lot of windowsills, you can sell these later. They're really fast growers, these cosmos. These will straighten up once they've been in here, had a water and a good feed. I feed them Miracle Grow, and I like to use a tomato feed as well. So yeah, down like so. Make sure you cover all the white roots. Hope everybody's keeping well, by the way. Here we've had a couple of days of really nice weather, which has been really good because it's rained and rained and rained here in the UK. It just never seems to have stopped. In there, like so. But yeah, look at those. That's what you want. Nice, healthy, white roots. You don't want to be discoloured. That means overwatering or underwatering. Compost up there. You end up with the discoloured. There's definitely something that you're doing wrong with the roots. A bit more. There we go. You'll be surprised. You'll come in tomorrow and these will be totally transformed, these. So I'll just carry on doing these and then we'll get back. Yeah, I'm using Westland multi-purpose peat-free compost with added jointings in it. And it has been, it's the first time I've used it this year. And I cannot recommend it enough. Seedlings grow great in it. Mature plants. also plug plants, anything goes really, really well. Right, just the last one now. One in, nice long root system there. Like I said, these will look really, really well. Now I've got 24 out of these, out of that little row. I could get probably another 5 or 6. So yeah, that's those done. What I'll do now is give them a little water with some feed in there, and that should really fetch them along nicely. And that's just part 2 of how to grow 8 different types of seedling, potting the cosmos on, saving you time, space, money. But yeah, best of all, using peat-free compost that works really, really well. This is called Westland peat-free multi-purpose compost. Got some John Innes in it, makes it a good all-rounder. So next ones I'll do are these stocks. So yeah, let's get some feed in these. So yeah, I've just mixed some Miracle Grow in here. Been watered from the bottom of these. Just going to give them some Miracle Grow from the top. And you watch, next couple of days, these are going to shoot away. And these are going to be really nice, sturdy, stocky plants with plenty of flower heads on, ready to go out into my garden. Yeah, really pleased with those. So that's some Miracle Grow on there. I shall feed them twice a week from now on. All these will straighten up nicely. So that's it. That's part 2. If you've got any questions about anything in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. So hi Monkey, I'm Paul. I'm Monkey. As always, growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.